Need precision smaller than a millimeter? Standard rulers stop at 1 millimeter, but the Vernier Caliper measures extreme microscopic accuracy. It has two main scales, main scale and vernier scale, plus lower jaws for outside diameter, upper jaws for inside diameter, and a depth probe. Least count is the smallest value it can measure. Divide 1 millimeter main division by 10 vernier divisions to get 0.1 millimeters or 0.01 centimeter. Close jaws completely. If zeros don't line up, you have zero error. 0 to the right means positive, subtract it. Left means negative, add it. Clamp your object. Read the main scale just before vernier 0, then find which vernier division aligns perfectly with a main line. Multiply aligning line by least count, add main scale reading, adjust zero error, and boom! Precise physics measurement complete!